Good morning, everyone. This is Lizzy with Lizzy B's Alkaline Kitchen. One second, I'll get this clear for you. Alright, that should be a little bit better. I made some prickly pear juice this morning. I am going to share with you guys what I did. I showed you how to cut the prickly pear already. You can take your finger and dig it under that spine. I didn't show you guys how to do that though because I didn't want you to try it and hurt yourself. But I've taken the prickly pear and I have gutted the seeds out, which are right here. Here are my beautiful seeds on this plate. Here you go. Here's the seeds and what they look like. I've taken the fruit and I've taken a little bit of spring water, just enough to cover it, and blended it up in my NutriBullet. Now I'm going to take that and the seeds and I'm going to strain it inside my strainer. You can use one of these, you can use a cheesecloth, you can use a tea bag, whatever you want. I use this. Okay. And then I'm also, this is the thing, I'm taking my seeds because these seeds are incredibly juicy. So scrape those. I always keep a little piece of it, the little bottom part out, and I use it as my scraper, so that's what I'm doing. But because I want all of that juice. I want all of it. So, now, I've got this here, and I'm going to just get a spoon and press it out, like I'm pressing into here. Can you guys see that? I've got a little Tupperware, and I've just got this, and I'm pressing out juice in the strainer. Now, some people prefer the cheesecloth. A lot of the times, I think it's good to do both. Some people say to go ahead and blend your seeds up with everything and strain it that way. I don't do that. I don't put my seeds in the blender because you guys know I love to save my seeds, so I don't want them to be damaged. And I know this NutriBullet of ours can damage just about anything. So I'm straining and I'm pressing and I'm straining and I'm pressing. And then at this point, what you want to do when you're using my method, because I don't blend up the seeds at all, this is going to get all of the wonderful cactus fruit part from around the seed as well. This is a really good way to not waste the fruit that's actually around the seed and without messing up your seed. So now I'm going to take a little bit of spring water and dump it into my NutriBullet that I just had and just swish it around a little bit. And I'm just going to kind of pour it over top of what I'm straining, just really slowly and all around like that. Okay, and then I'll continue to I do that so I can get the juice to secrete from here and get it down in there where it needs to be. Because there's going to be another process to this that I'm going to add a little bit of key lime to my juice. Prickly pear comes in all colors, all flavors, depending on what time of year you pick it and what color it is. They can be very sweet. If you get them right when they turn fully red, like this happens right towards the end of summer before it gets cold. Make sure they're turned all the way like dark red purplish color. As soon as they do that, the first week that they do that, they're they're pretty sweet. The next week, they're even sweeter. The next week, even sweeter. But then after about 3 weeks of being on there, they're going to start to get that little bitter tartness that a lot of people like. So depending on the flavor that you want, you know what I mean, is when you pick the prickly pear. But like I said, I showed you guys how to do it end of season. I wouldn't pick them any later than now because all the bugs are going to get them. But I'm going to put a little bit of water here now. My method. The first time, the only reason I used the NutriBullet is because I wanted to get all of my juice out of the NutriBullet. As you guys can see, I've got that going. And it's still straining there. Okay. What, baby? Yes, I'm going to give you some, but you need to wait. You're gonna sit at the table and drink some? Okay. So I've got it strained pretty well, guys. I'm doing this a little bit quick because my daughter is right there. And I want to show you guys a nice, wonderful cup of this. So, you want to sit up here? Come here. Don't touch anything. Hands in your lap. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a nice little glass of this. Don't touch. Mommy's got to show everybody before we drink. You can't just do that. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you a cup. I haven't mixed the lime with it or anything. This is just literally, this is straight up juice right here. Okay? See that beautiful color? Let me put it in the glass so that y'all can see. See that? Isn't that very pretty, guys? I'm going to pour a little bit because I'm still going to do my lime. I love to put the lime and a little bit of agave in there. Wait, you can have some. I'm going to show the people. See? It's like watermelon and cotton candy and something else. I don't know how to explain it. That's my kid. This is Ade drinking some. You want some more? Good? You don't want to look at the camera no more? Okay. Well, so I got to show you guys that I really wanted you to be able to experience this. Let me come to the light so you can see. See this beautiful color? See how pretty that is, guys? This is beautiful. Okay. I want you guys to try this at home. This is like a detox as well. A lot of people use the prickly pear as a detox. It can definitely clean you out. I told one of my friends about it, and she tried it, and it worked to her purposes. So I'm just putting this back over here because it's still got some juice coming out, and I don't want to lose my juice. But yeah. So have some, guys, and really you don't need sugar, you don't need lime. It's like watermelon juice when you squeeze it like that. So that's really, really delicious. She's showing everybody her coconut water. She's drinking coconut water this morning. Yes, baby, we're gonna have tea. So I'm glad that you guys came to visit. Here, baby, you drink your coconut water. I'm glad you guys came to visit. Once again, my name is Lizzy B, and I'm here at Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen. Also, come visit me on amanibolingo.com. Be posting some good information. Any questions you guys have, concerns, things you want to do on your own, you need some help, hit me up on amanibolingo.com, or you can drop a comment right here on YouTube, and I will post this video on Facebook for you guys as well. I love you very much. I want to wish you guys peace and blessings and healing and Amani Bolingo, and as always,
I made mine some